Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. REALINN under sink organizer and storage, 2-pack pull-out cabinet organizer slide-out sink shelf cabinet storage shelves, under sink storage for kitchen bathroom cabinet. L-shaped design with narrow top and wide bottom, leaves space for plumbing and garbage disposal, maximizing the vertical space of the sink. And the bottom tier leaves a suitable space for your tall bottles, which can solve your cabinet storage troubles. Sliding storage drawer. The under-sink organizer is designed as a sliding drawer with handles, can be pulled out from both sides, allowing you to easily access the items stored at the bottom. Easy installation and stable, no tools required. It only takes a few seconds to install. Sturdy and clean, made of high-quality steel, can bear 50 pounds. With baking paint, beautiful and rust-proof. Sink shelf is grid designed to prevent water accumulation, 2 pads to prevent objects from falling, removable and washable. Multi-purpose organizer, assembled dimensions, 14.2 by 10. Thanks for watching and subscribe.